existing waterspouts was located 16 nautical miles southwest of Petty Boy Pass, moving east at 50 knots. Hazard, waterspouts and wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar. Impact, waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Western Dauphin Island, Farewell Buoy, Petty Boy Pass, and Sand Island Lighthouse. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. Repeating, a special marine warning has been issued until 3:45 a.m. Central Daylight Time for the following marine locations: coastal waters from Pensacola, Florida to Pascagoula, Mississippi out 20 nautical miles, and waters from Pensacola, Florida to Pascagoula, Mississippi extending from 20 nautical miles to 60 nautical miles.